Hey, this is Ben Howerton with Arcadian Outfitters. Congratulations, you just got your new beanie display. In just a few short minutes, we're gonna go from flat cardboard into this beautiful piece right here. Come follow along. For the first step, we're gonna pre-fold and tape the main panel. Fold everything toward the printed logo side so the finished display has clean edges on the front. After you complete this step, you're gonna simply fold and tape the bottom to lock the display in place. Next, we're going to fold and insert the base box. This folds just like a standard shipping carton. Tape both sides closed and place it inside the display. Note that while tape is preferred, it is not required. You can simply fold the sides and place it inside the display. Now let's install the Arcadian Outfitters header. Position and secure the tabs with the built-in slots. After that, insert all 22 hooks into the display. Now it's time to start adding product to the display. Starting from the bottom, on the 2 right hooks, start loading beanies, starting with the palms first since they're the heaviest and require the most support. Slowly move your way up the display until all 10 beanies have been placed. Now we can set the patches on the display. Using the hooks on the far left side, place the patches on each corresponding hook. There should be 12 sets total when you're complete. It's also recommended that you keep light colors separate for visual appeal. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, you can email us at orders@arcadianoutfitters.com, and to shop the full lineup, you can go to our website, arcadianoutfitters.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for partnering with Arcadian.